What's up, y'all? We are. Can you start over? Hey, y'all. Welcome to What We Eating Today. I'm going to try not to laugh. I don't know what's wrong with me today. I have the giggles. I have not been smoking, I promise you. But should I put that on there? It's your girl Sandune. And I'm going to try not to laugh. We've been in the house for a couple of weeks. And we have weeks to go with the coronavirus going on, and I'm just trying to stay busy, and I'm trying not to laugh. I have the giggles today. I don't know why. Maybe it's cabin fever. I don't know. But today, you all right?
Yeah.
All right. Today I'm going to make chocolate chip cookies while quarantined. So stay tuned. Okay. So for these chocolate chip cookies, I have my ingredients. I have my salt, baking soda, sugar, brown sugar, 1 egg, my morsels, vanilla, flour, and my room temperature butter. And I'm gonna go ahead and start mixing up. Okay, so I'm going to start off. First of all, I have my oven preheated to 350 degrees. So I'm going to start with my medium bowl, and I'm going to add my flour, baking soda, and salt. So here I have a 1.5 cup of flour.
So all this flour?
Mm-hmm. 1.5 cups. And then I'm going to add a half a teaspoon of salt. Half a teaspoon of salt. So I'm just gonna add that in there. And then 1 full teaspoon of baking soda. Let's see where we at. Okay. And I'm giving measurements today, y'all. I normally don't, but I will today. 1 teaspoon of baking soda. And with those 3 ingredients, I'm just going to kind of shift those around. That's all you gotta do. Just get those in there good. I think that's good. Okay. So now that I have the flour, the baking soda, and the salt, in this larger bowl here, I'm going to mix my butter and my sugars until they're well together. Okay, so in a larger bowl here, I'm going to do a half a cup of brown sugar. It's supposed to be light brown sugar, but I was in the grocery stores, and if you've been to the grocery stores, you know, they are thin. The shelves are very thin. So all I could get was the dark, so we're gonna try the dark. And I have a half a cup of brown sugar, and it's lightly packed. So we're just gonna put that in there. And then we're gonna do 6 tablespoons of regular sugar. Okay, I'm just gonna do 6 of those. Was that 6?
Ooh, we man.
Yeah, I think it was 6. Well, if it ain't, oh well. I think that's 6, okay.
They'll know when they watch the video.
Okay. 6 scoops of sugar.
That's what it's supposed to be, y'all.
Yeah, well, you know.
6.
And then we're gonna add my butter. And that's
Butter.
room temperature butter.
Like ice cream.
And that's a half of a cup. It might be a little bit more, but I believe it's a half, to be honest. Y'all know my measurements. We're not gonna trip.
Butter.
Why does it look like ice cream?
And you're just gonna mix that in together gradually. Come on, until it's mixed pretty good. baby, I like to mix. Ooh, baby, I like to mix. Yeah, baby, I like to mix.
Even the eggs raw.
I don't know nothing about ODB.
We gonna fire the light first. Technical difficulties with the light department.
Okay, so now that is smooth, I'm going to let my daughter come over here. She's holding the light. I'm gonna let her come over here and add the egg.
You come switch places with your daughter.
Wait, I'm gonna have to come right back.
No, you can tell her what to do now. Thank you.
Okay, 1 egg. Don't try to do it with one hand. Yeah, there you go.
Chef Aloe Sine.
All right.
I know that too.
All right, Sine, so go ahead and add the vanilla. Vanilla extract.
How much?
You're gonna add 1 teaspoon.
Okay.
I'll take that off of there. Just hold it.
We need a prop manager. Maybe we can get Jamal to do that. Do 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 do. I hope everybody's being safe out there right now.
1 teaspoon.
Sanitizing, washing your hands.
Mainly hand washing.
Keep your hands out your face, out your mouth. Cover your coughs with your elbow. Try not to use each other's cell phones. Always wash your hands when you're messing with money right now, for sure. Your mail, all that good stuff. Y'all ready?
Yep.
Yeah. So she's gonna add 1 teaspoon of vanilla. And if you go over a little bit, that's fine. You can add a little bit more, just a little bit. It's not gonna hurt. Okay. And she's going to mix that up.
Okay.
Just put it
Grab
on
the
one
bowl.
and lightly blend it. Okay, so now that is mixed together, now just leave it sitting right here. That's cool. Okay, that's good. Now I'm gonna come back around. You have the light. Now you want to gradually add in the flour. So do a little bit at a time. A little bit more.
Now, we telling y'all what you can try to do while you're inside. Now, I don't know what you're gonna do to wear off the energy you're gonna get from these cookies.
Run around the house.
Yeah. Glasses.
Yeah, you can't see. You getting these shots, baby?
Boy. Oh, I'm getting great shot. I just can't see it clear.
All right. Don't that look good? Okay. So now that that is all mixed up, I'm gonna do a little taste test and I'm gonna wash my finger. So now I'm going to add a full bag of semi-sweet chocolate chip morsels. And just mix that in with a wooden spoon or something, and don't over mix it. And these, they'll probably make about, depending on the size, you can make up to 30 cookies. If not, it'll be about 18 cookies, depending on the size. Just mix that in there.
And in this house, 30 cookies ain't nothing.
Okay. Now that these are ready, what I'm going to do is sit this in the refrigerator until it is good and cold, because it's going to get hard and it'll be easy to scoop out, and then it'll be ready to go into the oven. So we'll be back. Okay, you guys, so the cookies are done, and they're about to be gone. So just remember to hit the like button, subscribe. I'm going to continue to do these videos as long as I'm living. I'm going to cook, so you'll be seeing a lot more videos coming. So make sure you subscribe. And there you have it, chocolate chip cookies while we are at home during this crisis.